लंच के बाद अचानक बरसात शुरू हो गई तो मौसम और माहौल का फायदा उठाते हुए हमने मिलन से इश्क मोहब्बत की बात छेड़ी। आपको इश्क कितनी दफा हुआ है?
रोज होता है।
रोज इश्क किसी और औरत के साथ?
Not, I wouldn't say aurat. It's for many things. I see a lot of things that I like, a lot of beautiful things every day. Women also, but that does not mean that I appreciate that beauty. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई relationship बन जाए उसमें से. I like to see beautiful things. Everybody likes to see beautiful things.
What do you like in women? What is it that you look for in a woman?
Basically, I would say people like people who like them. You know. So a woman may be really beautiful,
That's
but I
very
may
confusing.
not. You would be more attracted to somebody who likes you, because everybody wants to be appreciated. So if there is a beautiful woman
Who likes you?
who likes me, I would probably like her more than if she was just beautiful and passed and gave me a look and said, "Oh, okay."
नहीं, पर आप जब किसी औरत की तरफ देखते हैं तो उसमें कौन सी चीजें ढूंढते हैं?
Superficially, there is a okay. You are
दोनों, superficially and deeply. What are you looking for in a woman, in a relationship?
in a relationship. For me, the most important thing is the woman. I should be able to be friends with the woman. And she should accept me for what I am. That is an ideal. कि मैं जैसा भी हूँ, जो भी हूँ, जो भी मेरे विचार हैं, those should be acceptable and understandable to that woman.
And you have found the woman you want, the woman you want to marry.
Nobody ever finds the ideal woman, but this is my feeling. होता है कि कुछ सालों के बाद ऐसा भी हो जाए, but initially it is very difficult to find because everybody is brought up differently. Everybody comes from a different
नहीं, पर आपकी
environment.
तो शादी होने वाली है ना मधु सापरे के साथ? नहीं?
सोचा तो था, हमारे कोशिश है, अभी भी कोशिश है, लेकिन we are difficulties तो आ जाती हैं because we are both in the same profession. Also because of the kind of people we are, our concepts of how life is to be lived are quite different. Though we are very close spiritually, I feel. I think it can be worked out and we will be happy together.
Subscribe to watch full episode on classic Indian TV serials.